Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Stedman. Today I'll be showing you some of the yarn that I bought now for the end of the year, you know, for Christmas, Boxing Day, end of the year. They only have good sales at Michael. So I went and I spent. So I bought some of this one. I always love the Loose and Thread Charisma. This one is a tweed with the little black specks. I think I kind of sneeze because all this getting out of the bag. I already recorded in Spanish, so. And these ones are bulky 5. And this is the color is honey. And I bought a few of those because you know this is the yarn that I use the most for hats and neck warmer. I like to work with this one because with 48 stitches plus 1, and you knit a little bit, you have a hat. And this one is electric blue. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. This is coral. I bought 2 coral, 2 electric blue, a couple of these gray. It's good to have gray. I bought I think 3 of these purple, that is jam. The pompons, they had them on sale as well. I went like a few days before I bought the yarn, and they have still they had the pompon on sale, so 2 for $5 Canadian, so half price. So I bought before, and when I went again, when I bought the yarn, I bought these extra 2. The other ones I have there in a container. But this green is a beautiful green. It's nice and natural. The color is sage. It's a beautiful sage color. I bought a couple of those. This one I bought a little more because the first time I buy this one is mist. It's like almost like it's not light blue, but it's no gray neither. It's a really nice soft color. So this one is the one that I bought the most, and this one about 6 of these, 6 of the other one. So, well, I have here on the back. I'm gonna place them back because I want to show you the other yarn that I bought. This one regular $4.99, and usually they bring it to the $5 to the higher price, of course. So I bought them half price. They have the Loose and Thread Impeccable, but since I have tons of Loose and Thread Impeccable in here and there and everywhere, and Bernat Premium, theirs is very much just the same as the Loose and Thread Impeccable, the same type of yarn, the same thickness. I had a lot of that, so I don't need to buy any of that. This one is the one I was getting a little bit short of supply. So these ones are the new expensive yarn at Michael. Each ball costs $10, $9.99, and I bought them all half price. Usually I go to Michael to buy, when I go to buy a yarn that is a little more expensive, I bring 2 coupons, one for my husband, one for me, and we buy 2 balls of yarn. So this time, since they all half price, I was going to buy just a little bit, and he said, no, buy all the yarn that you need now, because later we don't have to come just for 2 balls of yarn, okay? To save gas money, because the gas is expensive as well. So I bought this type. Let me check this one. This is gorgeous, and they are 75% washable wool and 25% nylon. They are fine too, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous and soft. They're not itchy or anything. And they have 100 grams, and they are 357 meters long. Look at that beautiful color. So I went crazy. He gave me the permission to buy, so I went crazy buying this. Look at this gorgeous color. So when your husband say, go ahead and buy, buy. Because that's the chance that you know, the best chance you get to get a lot of yarn. So I'm dying to start working with this Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Some of them are the same color. That I bought like 4 or 5 of one color. That way, if I do a big project, I have enough. I don't want to run out, and then halfway I go to the store and they don't have that color. That happened to me before. So I never again buy 1 or 2 of one color. Like the something that is, because I know of the other one that I bought 2 color. With those 2 color I can do a hat and a neck warmer. So with those loops and thread Charisma, I can do a hat and a neck warmer with 2. They're all gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And they're a little bit more expensive, but they are quality yarn because it's real wool, 70% blend. This one is a fine too. These ones are medium 4, 50% washable wool, 30% nylon, and 20% acrylic. And this one is almost like a fair isle because they have the stripe, plus they have a little places where have a little they create a design. So I bought like 6 of these beautiful purple. The color is cotton candy plum. So I bought a few of that color. I bought 2 of this one, this color, and the color of this one, this is beautiful, is caramel toffee. It's gorgeous. So I think these 2, you can mix them together if you do a poncho, like do mostly this color and do a few round in here. With that, it will be gorgeous. And these 2, that one. So now I'm gonna place them back to the bag to show you the other bag. It's pretty much the same. Some of these are this color and another type of yarn that I bought. Okay. So I have a lot of yarn now, beautiful yarn and beautiful colors. I love colors. So I'm not the type of person that like neutral. The most color, the better. The more color, the better. I'm excited. So now I will show you the other bag that I have. The rest of this one. Look at the beautiful color. And these ones are, like I said, they are gorgeous. They're like rainbow color. So they have this type as well. This one is fine one, and it's the same, a blend of 80% wool. 75% wool, 25% nylon. And this one is 100 grams, and this one have a lot of meter. 398 meters. So even I can make socks with this. Imagine a beautiful pair of socks like that. Gorgeous. I hardly can wait. Any of these I can use for socks because they are a blend of wool and nylon. Very colorful. For shawls, beautiful shawls, beautiful light vest, or very light sweater, light cardigans. Any of that you can make with this beautiful, beautiful yarn. This one is a little bit thinner, perfect for crochet. I love to crochet, but I have a pinched nerve in my back. That sometimes when I crochet too much, I get a stitch pain. So that's why I've been knitting a little bit more. But this is mind-blowing, you know, the color of this yarn. I still have some more here. Look at this one. Oh, this is gorgeous. And these one are self-striped, so they will be gorgeous for a shawl that will do their own stripe. that I don't have to be changing color or anything like that. Mind blowing. Love, love, love them. This one I bought quite a few because I love that color. They have really nice earthy green tones. This one is more neutral. So this one you see have like gray, they have gray colors, and so is this one. So the combination of these two will be fantastic. You can combine those two colors. And two of these, and one of these. I'll place them back before I start sneezing all over the place. So I'm so excited that I finally bought these. I wanted to buy them, but $10 each, it's not cheap. Plus taxes. They tax you here for everything. My goodness. So when I was knitting now for my Christmas hats, my bamboo and needles, they broke, 2 of them. So I mentioned to my husband that I wanted to buy a better set of knitting needles, since I knit more than crochet, but I like to do both. And then he said, let's do a research, do some review of needle to see which one is the best to buy, the best deal and the best recommendation. And he bought me this chia goo. Oh, I hardly can wait to try them. And they are the interchangeable lace set. They're a little bit expensive, not expensive, but when you buy cheap, they break and you have to replace them again. This one, probably I don't have to replace them for a very long time. So they start in here. For the smallest size is the US 2, that is 275 millimeter, to a US 15, that is 10 millimeter. And the core, they come with a set of core for the smaller needle and a set of core for the bigger needles. And they have another little knickknacks in the packet here. So I'm so excited to start working with those yarn that I start to make a mesh to create a shawl, a crochet. Even if I get my stitch pain, I still love to crochet. And I start with this mesh, and I'm gonna weave those beautiful colored yarn in here. So you will see how gorgeous that's gonna be. So I started with this base, and I started working off camera before I start recording. That way when I start recording, I already can tell you, do this many square for the width and so many square for the length, and you'll be ready to do your shawl. So I hope I don't bore you. I hope you can like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make any of my pieces and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Stem and Crochet, or my Instagram, Ruby Stem and Crochet. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you a beautiful day and a beautiful, beautiful new year. A lot of you been going through probably really hard things, but things positive, and that in the new year everything will be better for all of us. I wish you have a wonderful year.